Science Fun Fair. Making sound. Ruchi, please read the second experiment on page 60.
Namaste. I want to show you a simple musical instrument. These are all glass bowls. Each bowl has some water in it. This bowl is full of water. This last bowl has very little water in it. Now I'll tap each bowl gently with this spoon. Did you hear that? What a musical sound! Do you want to try it? Please be careful. Thank you.
Thank you, Ruchi. Children, did you like it?
Yes, teacher.
Why did the girl say, please be careful?
Because we are working with glass bowls and if we tap too hard, they may break.
That's right, Ahmad.
Teacher, how do the bowls make different sounds?
When the spoon taps the bowl, it makes a sound which moves through the air in the bowl. When there is a lot of water and less air in the bowl, the sound is different than when there is a little water and more air in the bowl.
You will learn more about how sounds are made in science in a higher class.
I don't have glass bowls. How can I try this experiment?
You can also use glasses you use for drinking water. Here is another experiment about sound. Watch carefully. Now, look at it screen by screen. Ahmad, talk about this experiment as if you are doing it.
Hello.
Look, I have 2 matchboxes, a long string, a nail, and 2 small pieces of stick to make my own telephone.
With the nail, make a small hole in the bottom of the 2 matchboxes. Push one end of the string into the hole at the bottom of one matchbox. Pull the string out from inside the matchbox and tie a small stick to it so it does not come out of the hole. Do the same with the other matchbox using the other end of the string. Your phone is ready now. You can talk into it and listen holding the matchbox to your ear. You can use paper cups or tins also instead of matchboxes.
Teacher, how does this phone work?
When you speak into the matchbox, the string shakes a little and the shaking carries the sound to the other matchbox. You will learn more about this science in a higher class. Next class, we will see another experiment.